This is a 2016 Subaru Crosstrek, and we are replacing the cabin air filter. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. First thing we have to do is open the glove box. Once we have the glove box open, we want to come over here on the right side and remove the dampening rod from the glove box. Easier said than done. Alright, we got it. There's the dampening rod all off. Next we have these stops right here on the side of the glove box. And we have to have those clear the part of the dash right there. And I got my tool right in there like this. And the whole thing came out. Just once you had one side loose, you just popped it right out. And there's the cabin air filter right there. To remove the cabin air filter, we have this little cover right here. Oh geez, I think this one's overdue. Boy, oh boy, look at that. Maybe this person didn't realize they had a cabin air filter in here. Wow. Once you get your new air filter, you just push it right in there like that. You hear that little snap? And she's all in. Now to put the glove box in, we have these areas right here on the bottom of the box, and they go into corresponding pieces down below here. So all we have to do is line them up. Just like that. It's kind of a flat area that it lines up. And you can see that the stops are kind of tapered. So when you push it by, it's just going to snap into place just like that. And then we put our dampener back on. There. Dampen is all back in position. And the glove box should close, no problem. Beautiful. That's it. So that's all there is to replacing your cabin air filter on your Subaru Crosstrek.